In this video, I want to go through a few examples of adding mixed numbers together. Now, in the previous video, I suggested that there were two methods to do this. The first method I showed was adding the integer parts together, then adding the fractional parts together, doing it separately, and then combining at the end. The second method was to turn the two mixed numbers into improper fractions and adding them that way. For these three examples, I'm going to use the first method, so adding the integer parts together, adding the fractional parts together, and then combining. Because in the long run, that's probably the easiest way forward, especially if you're doing it by hand. Okay? You're free to do it the other way if you prefer. So let's take a look at our first example, 1 1/5 plus 2 3/4. So first of all, add the 1 and the 2 together to make 3, and then focus your attention on the fractions, so 1/5 and 3/4. So I'm going to use cross multiplication, so 1 times 4 plus 3 times 5 over 5 times 4. So we have 4 plus 15, so 19 over 20. So we have 3 and 19/20, adding our two results together. Okay, right, that's example number 1. Number 2, 5 6/7 plus 3 1/9. So focus on the integer parts first, so 5 plus 3 is 8, and then 6/7 plus 1/9. So cross multiply, so 6 times 9 plus 1 times 7 over 7 times 9. So 6 times 9 is 54, add on the 7 gets us up to 61, and that's 7 times 9, which is 63. So that can't be simplified. So we have 8 and 61 over 63. Okay, so that's example number 2. So example number 3, 8 5/8 plus 5 4/7. So first of all, focus on the 8 plus 5, so 13. Then we've got the 5/8 plus 4/7. So I'm going to use cross multiplication. 5 times 7 plus 4 times 8 over 8 times 7. So 5 times 7 is 35. 4 times 8 is 32. 8 sevens are 56. So we've actually got 67 over 56. Okay. Now, 67 over 56 is 1 and 11 over 56. So adding 13 and 1 over 13 and 1 and 11 over 56 will make 14 and 11 over 56. And that's my answer to example 3.